Greetings! Today I'm going to walk you through User Lifecycle Management using Entra ID, formerly known as Azure AD. For first, we're going to go ahead and enter Entra in the search bar and click on Microsoft Entra ID. Next, what we want to do is navigate to the Users section. I'm going to scroll down. You can see what's all on this page. So going under Manage, Quick Users. And then from here, we're going to create a new user, a new hire. So click New User, and then Create New User. And for this new user, we're going to call them Sarah Johnson. So in the User Principal Name tab, or text box, we're going to enter Sarah.Johnson. That is this user's user principal name. From there, we're going to go ahead and enter the display name of Sarah Johnson, having two names. And then we're going to copy the password, and we're going to place it somewhere safe, just in case we need to sign in for whatever reason. After that, we're going to click Next and then Properties. So in the Properties tab, we're going to go ahead and enter this new user's first name, Sarah, last name, Johnson. And then we're going to enter their job title, which in Sarah's case is software engineer. And in the department that Sarah will be working in, it's going to be the engineering department. We're also going to go ahead and backtrack and enter the company name, which in this case, the fictional name of this company is not applicable. After that, click Review and Create. Review the entry and then click Create. You'll see a successfully created user pop up in the upper right hand corner of the screen. And first you don't see it, and refresh, and now you do. Here's Sarah Johnson in our list of users. Next, what we're going to do is walk through the process of adding Sarah to a group. So first, we're going to click on Sarah just to overview and review Sarah's properties. And as you can see here. And then we're going to also look under Sarah Johnson, assign groups. And currently, Sarah has no assigned groups. She's not a member of any groups. And if we click on Add Memberships, we'll see the groups that currently exist. And we don't have an engineering group. So we're going to go ahead and create that now, just for demonstration purposes. So we go to Groups and then New Group. And from here, we're going to give the group type for now security. And we're going to name this group Engineering Team. And that group description as well will be Engineering Team. And we're checking to see if we want Microsoft Entra roles to be assigned to the group. We're going to check that as no. And for the membership type, we're going to click that as assigned. So we're going to add the team at the end of the name for group and group description. And from here, we're going to go ahead and create this new group. And you'll see the successfully created group message show up in the upper right hand of the screen. Now we go back to users, all users, and we're looking for Sarah Johnson to assign this user to their group of engineering team. So after we've selected Sarah Johnson, we go back to Groups, Add Memberships, and now we see Engineering Team as one of the groups we can select for Sarah to join. and she has been successfully added to Hoop. Now from here, we're going to navigate back to Entra ID. And we're gonna just check our work. So going under groups, and then all groups, we're gonna click on engineering team. And then total members. We're view the group members here, and now we shall see that Sarah Johnson is now a part of the engineering team group. So from here, we're going to demonstrate some other features that we would want to know as an IAM analyst or engineer. So we're going back to users, all users, clicking on Sarah Johnson. And right now we're going to reset Sarah's password. So we had that generic reset password for Sarah, and we're going to go ahead and click on reset password, and we're going to copy the temporary password. We're going to save that to put it aside for giving to Sarah later on. So that way, Sarah can have a new fresh password. Next, we're going to go under Sarah Johnson's properties, and in her settings area, we're going to disable her account. So click on account enabled or tick off account enabled and click save. You'll see at the top upper right corner of your confirmation message that the change was successful. You can see that Sarah's account has been disabled. And if we want to re-enable it, we go back to edit properties. But I click on settings and just tick back on account enabled and save. So that's how you disable the user's account and re-enable it if needed. Next, let's go back to Microsoft Entra ID. Then we're going to check the logs. So go under monitoring and click Simon logs. Now from here, you can see your list of all the sign-in information if it's been logged. For auditing purposes, of course. You see request ID, user principal name, application status, IP address, resource ID, conditional access, user, and location as the categories. Now from here, we're going to play around with the filters just to get an idea of how to filter out specific information that we're looking for. You can filter with different means. So you can filter with application. And then as you apply the application filter, you'll see application. The list is now filtered by application. But now we're going to play with this a little bit more. We're going to click on application, and we want to specifically check for Azure Portal Application Simon logs. And from here, we can see all of the Azure Portal Application sign-in logs to our disposal. And you can click on one of them to check more of the details, such as the basic information. As you can see, a list of different items or variable under basic information. You have location, device info, and then we're going to click on authentication details and check that out.